Hello everyone, this is Manny Negron, and in this video I will show you how to create a brush preset that contains your copyright notice. This is going to be in Photoshop CC, but it pretty much works in any version of Photoshop. First thing you want to do is create a new image, so go ahead and click on File, New. And for the width and height, I'm going to change it to 2048 because this would be an average size of an image you're working with, and it also accommodates the size of your brush tool. Once you adjust the values, click OK, and you have your new image. First thing you want to do is click on your tool, toolbar, where you have your type tool, to select it, and then drop the anchor on your image and start typing your copyright notice. Now, you always want to use the copyright symbol, and the best way to do this is use your ASCII codes, and to do so, you hold down your Alt key, and then on the numeric keypad on the side of the keyboard, you press 0169. Again, while you hold the Alt key, you're going to press 0169, and that'll present you with the copyright symbol. There you have it. Now, Photoshop has a ton of different fonts. I don't like the one that's on the screen right now. So to cycle through them, the best thing to do is just hold down your Shift key and then use your left arrow key to select the whole text. And then drop your anchor in the box where you have the different font names. And after that, you can use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to cycle through the different fonts that you have. And once you find one that you like, go ahead and jot it down in a piece of paper so that you can use it at a later time, because if you want to use the same font next year, chances are you're not going to remember, because Photoshop has tons of fonts in it. So now that we found the one that we like, what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control Enter so that we commit the changes of your font. And then we're going to click on Edit and choose Define Brush Preset. Now this is going to present you with a new window where you can type the name of your brush. In this case, I'm going to call it 2015 Copyright Manny. I'm going to hit OK, and now that created my new brush preset. If I click on the brush tool and I click on the drop down, you're going to see it right here. If you put your mouse over it and let it float, you're going to see the label that you created when you added this new brush preset. It's as simple as that. Now, on to the usage. Let's go ahead and open up an image. And in here, as you can see, the brush is already pre-selected. One cool thing that you can do with this is that you can use your bracket keys to make it smaller or bigger, whichever you want, to accommodate the size of your image. So, the first thing you want to do is create a new layer. So go ahead and click on Layer, New. Or you can simply press Ctrl-Shift-N. You can take the defaults, click OK. And now, because we're using a brush, you have all the different tools that you can use with the brushes. In this case, I'm going to use the color burn. Alright, and I'm going to leave the opacity at about 50. And then you can position your brush anywhere you want in the image. And because this is using color burn, I'm going to click the mouse button a couple of times. And there you go. Now, the benefit of having a new layer is that you can change everything you want with the layer. If you right click on it and you go to blending options, one of the things that I like to do is use the drop shadow. That way I can adjust the angle and I can make the shadow pop out of your brush, and it looks pretty cool. Now your copyright notice shows up on your image, and it's kind of like 3D effect. I like that a lot. You can also, because it's a layer, you can change the opacity of it so it doesn't show that much in the image. The possibilities are infinite. And one cool thing that you have here is that you can click on the Move button or the Move tool, and you can reposition that copyright notice anywhere you want in the image. Alright? And one final thing, if you're not happy with it, instead of undoing everything, you can just grab that layer and drop it into your trash bin, and it's gone. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to it or hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.